are going home now, and a lot of people in the beach, and we are actually going to the ATM machine because yeah, I need to pay for the house rent today. Yeah, $250 per week. For the people who still don't know, yeah, it's fully furnished, and yeah, everything is included, electricity and water, except internet, because you know, the Wi-Fi of my landlord is unable to connect to, you know, cannot be reached in my granny flat. Yeah, so I have my own internet provider. If you are moving to an apartment or to a house here in Australia, most of the landlord, they will ask you for a bond and of course the rent. So when I first moved in my apartment, I paid, no, not paid, but I give a bond of $1,000 plus my $250 weekly rent. Yeah, and then every week I am paying $250. And then if I want to leave the apartment, if I want to move to another apartment, they will give back to me the $1,000 bond. Yeah, that is basically how it works here in Australia. It always depends on the landlord. Yeah, but if you are going to a, you know, in a real estate agent, in a real estate agency, they have different requirements and process to do. So but if you are going straight to the landlord, very simple process, the same like what I've told you. You know, I'm always trying to speak to people, especially the old guy that I am meeting along the way, because they are maybe the one who got my wallet. Yeah, but so far still I didn't meet that guy. Yeah, of course I want to see that guy, I want to say thank you, that is why. Nice, this restaurant is soon to open. Awesome. Eh, yeah, you know, my colleague who received the wallet was working there before, and she knows the guy who got that wallet, my wallet. Yeah, nice. And we're going to stay here for a bit. Yeah, we'll keep the bike there. We'll have a look on that restaurant. Just a quick look. Yeah, so this is how it is. Nice. They are more beautiful this time compared to the previous, when it was this is aqua blue. The name of this restaurant before is Aqua Blue. Now it's called Bluey's Restaurant Bar. It's not yet open. They are still doing some improvements. Oh, look at this. How low tide is this? There are so many very small fish down there. Look at this, it is low tide this time. Look at that. Yeah, normally during high tide the water is reaching those rocks, but this time look at that. And you know, I am actually wondering, look at this, those boats are very close, very near to the, yeah, to the sand, and there is a sudden drop of land in there. So if you get down there, you will be falling down under the water. I don't know how to say in English, but yeah, there is a sudden drop, sudden get down. I don't know how to say that in English. Yeah, mate. Yeah, those big berries, they are very near to the sand. Okay, let's check. Let's check if the sand is soft. Oh, it's not very soft. So during high tide, the water is maybe in this area is maybe until here or in the waist. Look at that. And if you move a little bit there will be a sudden drop. And if you notice those perry, yeah, it means that it is very deep on that area. You know what I mean? I just can't say it in English because I don't know. Yeah, looks like it is going to rain. Here on this side is still like that, but on this side is already dark with the dark clouds. We're just going to get some cash, $250 to pay for the rent, and we are going home. This is what I'm telling you, that if you go to a real estate agent to rent an apartment, they will ask you some documents. But if you go straight to the landlord, there's no special requirements. They will just ask you for, you know, some security bonds and your rent. They will ask you some personal question like that. But with real estate agent, you need some proof documents. Just now I noticed this. Inside there is something like a very delicious bread and pastry here in the base patisserie. We're going to check that. They have something like a Spanish bread, and Spanish bread is my favorite in the Philippines. Where's the way? Your video?
No.
No, wait.
You can pay more, only more $2, sir.
Okay, I accept that.
Pay that.
I
Yeah.
accept that. Thank you very much, mom.
That's fine. I always do one good deed at Christmas.
Yeah, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Merry Christmas to you. Wow, look at that. Look at that. It is sunny again. Okay. So this is what they have. They have yeah, just normal, nothing really special. But you know, I took this. The lady there, she gave it to me for $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of spring roll. She said this is chicken and beef, and with this, and then this meat pie. Yeah, this is a meat pie, yeah, beef, and the total of this is $9.50. You know, but the problem is that the minimum purchase with the card is $10, and I don't have cash. I always use my Apple Pay. And then there is one lady that comes in, an old lady, and I told to the sales lady that okay, I will select the additional food, additional bread. And I don't know, this old lady is offering me to, I will pay that for you. Yeah. And I said, no, it's okay. I will pay by card. Yeah, I will choose one more. No, I will pay that for you. This is a Christmas gift. Yeah. Yeah, that lady, she said it's a Christmas gift. And yeah, I said, can I take a picture? I said to her. I said, no picture. Yeah, she said like that. Yeah, so this is a free one. I don't know, maybe she think that I am poor, or maybe she just want to help. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, I don't know what she's thinking, but one thing for sure, she make me happy. Yeah. She make me happy. Amazing. Yeah, it is now 5 minutes before 5 o'clock. Yeah, she really make me happy. Yeah, amazing. And we're going to eat this now. It's good. It's good, but I still prepare the, you know, the spring roll that I have here. Until now, I still have 2 pieces of this spring roll. Yeah, this is the last 2 pieces. But any kind of spring roll is okay for me. Amazing. Yeah, I remember the face of the lady. Yeah. She said that it's a Christmas gift for me. She don't know me. Amazing, good. This is the money that I withdraw, and this is $250, and I'm going to pay this later on. Yeah. Today is nice. Today is amazing. Yeah. I was waiting for my landlord to, because I'm going to pay my house rent. And when I knock on the door, I give the money and they accept it. And then after a while, they give it back the money. They give me back the $250. Yeah. They said it's a Christmas gift. Amazing. Yeah. Today I received 2 gifts from Australian. Amazing. Wow. Thank you very much. $250 is big amount, right? So I'm going to save it for next week. Awesome.